So, mate, we're over here at EWDX.
Or our Evolution Wireless Digital Series. Yeah, so
right. Which is all UHF.
It's all UHF,
Okay.
right? So we've got our basically in this little rack. We've pretty much got most of it here, to be fair. So we've got our EWD, which is our more of our entry level, thinking old school terms of like our 100 series G4 that we used to, that kind of level.
Yep.
It's a bit of a smaller bandwidth, that kind of thing, compared to our DX series.
Yes.
So this is a single channel unit. Then we start getting into our EWDX, which are dual channel units. Okay, but they're all being fed in via the splitter.
Yes.
And then obviously we've got our bigger boy on the block, which is our quad.
Yeah, right. Do these all have removable antennas?
Yes, 100%.
Even this one, even the entry one?
Yeah.
Cool.
So they've all got the little quarter wave sticks that most people love and hate at the same time. Searching stuff. But yes, you can always remove those and add in extra antennas. We've got a couple up here, just the traditional ones.
Yes.
This one here with the slots in for wind loading, because we've all been outside and you see them spin around that way.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we've got our install series wall mountable one, which most people confuse between our speech line one.
Yeah.
It looks identical, mounts exactly the same way, but it's got an antenna booster which we can adjust under here for our cable loss, for our cable runs.
That's just coming out of standard coax, RG58. Coax out of that.
RG58 213, RG8X, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, but not Dante.
No.
Just to be clear.
Just be clear. It's just purely your UHF antenna.
Yeah.
All right, we send power up the BNC off of this guy to power it.
Gotcha.
Or we have capability, if you just want to run it off something like this, or this, which doesn't send power out of it, we could put just a standard 12 volt supply off a wall wart, up figure 8 cable and power it that way as well.
Away you go.
Yeah,
okay, nice.
So it's all about getting this booster power to negate that loss, all right?
Mate, what is this? This is something that caught my eye before. What is this?
Well, this, to be fair, this actually came from our, this is our L6000, which is a rack mountable charger unit. It came around originally from our D6000 flagship series.
Yeah.
But we've now got charger modules which take the BA70, which we use in all of the EWD range.
Yep.
It's becoming popular more so in things like, I'd say, theatre applications. So when I used to tour, we'd have some of this kind of stuff. Or even in like university theatre halls or whatever they may be, where you could just build all this kit in a rack.
Yeah, grab and go.
And grab and go, and you just snap. Imagine all your battery changes and stuff. You literally just pull them out. Where you go.
Nice.
Instead of having to have all your docks.
Yeah.
The dropping docks are great, but they're not going to work in every scenario. Let's be honest. So that's where this stuff comes into play.
And also depending on where you're trying to put them in a rack or where you're trying to place them.
Yeah, correct. Because like we've got 2 of them linked here together, right? We can link up to 5 of these units together to give us a 10-bay dock. That's quite a bit of real estate,
yes,
right?
It is.
In corporate land and stuff, no worries. It's just on a credenza or something like that. But if you're tucked into the side wing of a theatre or something like that, sometimes you get a bit space prohibitive. Yeah. So
that's where this comes into play. I'm sitting there going, I'm sold on this one because we end up in like a school hall. They end up in the rack or on the rack, and like that they end up covered in dust if they're out of the rack, or trying to find a drawer and then the batteries actually never end up back in them because it's too hard. Where you can just go bang bang bang, plug it in.
Correct.
So it's really
the main difference is obviously with these you can leave all the batteries in. It's plug and play. That's why it's more corporate friendly. It's bang. When you start getting into those performance spaces, people generally know that you've got to take your battery out. It's just the way the mindset works.
So let's hope they remember it.
So if you can just bang them all in there, when you've got, especially if you've got a good theatre production going, you've got all your packs lined up. You just like snap. Away you go. It's great.
Very cool. So then we bring it all together again over here.
So we just got some table stands. So we've got a 3-pin and a 5-pin here. So we've just got our little short gooseneck base there with an ME36 gooseneck. So I think you could use that in kind of council kind of setups. Nice and low. Because it's
you're on the corporate table.
It's a shotgun.
It's
a mini shotgun. It's the smallest shotgun we do.
Nice.
So it's perfect for that. And then you've got your traditional kind of like 5-pin light up. Shut it on.
Nice.
And they're just on an induction charging
wireless.
Wireless.
Pick them up and away you go.
But all tuned into our UHF system.
Very nice.
And the other part of which we touched on our speech line earlier,
sure,
which has got the EWDX configurator for wireless. And now this is the one that probably I would say most people would appreciate.
Yeah.
So again, just go in. It all starts with selecting your region. So this is for our DX system. So we have that 3 frequencies available in this country. It filters them all out. So low, high, and the 1G8 band. Yeah?
Okay.
So 520 to 607, 606, basically to 693.
So you still need to go into, say, ACMA or something beforehand to know in your area what you can use.
Yeah.
Then you come in here and you go, bang, we're going to use the first 520 to 607.
That's it.
And then follow the wizard.
Yep, that's it. The part of the wizard, and away we go, right?
Yeah.
So, Soundbase, new frequency coordination system. We purchased a company called Soundbase. They're intrinsic with our Spectera system as well. That we've, I believe you spoke to Brock about recently earlier. Yeah. So, frequency coordination, all that kind of stuff is now built into that as well, if you wish to. And there's a handy little link you can get onto there. Get into it, have a look. It's got some really handy tools in there as well. Things like loss calculators, simple loss calculators, all that kind of stuff.
Really?
Yeah, really good. Get into it, have a look at it. So there you go, and then you get into picking all your receivers. You know, do I want just an analog system? Do I want Dante or a 4-channel? However many do I want? We'll just do one there for the moment. Same channel count. Do I want a body pack? Do I want a handheld? What capsule do I want? You know, and just work your way through it.
Yep.
Gets into charges, all that kind of stuff. And again, at the end of it, it just spits you out shopping list.
Oh, happy days.
How much easier is that?
Oh, mate, it's going to make a lot lives a lot better.
How much easier is that? You know, so,
that's awesome, mate. Yeah. So super cool.
Yeah.
Find that. It's a free download. Go to your website.
It's just all on the URL link. Yeah, so just go on the website. You'll get that initial splash page come up. If you just bookmark that, whenever you need to do a deck-based system or a UHF system, that's your starting point.
Yeah, nice.
Simple.
Yeah, cool. Super cool.
All right.
Benji, thanks, mate. It's Jason's time to shine.
I think so.
Let's go and tap him on the shoulder.
No worries, mate.
Thanks, mate.